Legenia, and I am so glad that you guys are here. In today's video, we are making bang bang cauliflower. If you are a lover of bang bang shrimp or bang bang chicken, you are gonna love this recipe. One great thing about it is I'm gonna show you how to make our very own homemade keto spicy chili sauce to go with our bang bang cauliflower. So stick around and I'm gonna show you how to make it. First thing we're going to do is make our spicy chili sauce. So for that, I'm going to begin with 1 cup of water. I'm going to use 3/4 cup of rice vinegar. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of a monk fruit sweetener, and this is a monk fruit erythritol blend of sweetener. 1½ tablespoons of chopped garlic. 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce. Zambul yulik, and this is 3 tablespoons. I'm going to turn my burner on to a medium-high heat, and we'll incorporate that all together. All right, guys, and I'm going to let this keep going until my sugar has dissolved. And lastly, add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And we're going to whisk that in. Just make sure you whisk it all in until the xanthan gum has completely dissolved. Now we're going to let our mixture simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's your desired consistency. So just make sure you come back and check it continuously for the consistency that you're looking for. Once our chili sauce has reached the desired consistency, go ahead and turn off your burner. And we're going to let this sit here and cool. In the meantime, let's go and get our cauliflower together. All right, now let's get together the sauce that's going to go over our cauliflower. So what I've done already is I've washed cauliflower here. I have 1 large head of cauliflower that's been washed, put in a large bowl, and it's ready to go. So now I'm going to get together the sauce. I've preheated my oven to 425 degrees. Make sure you do that when you get started working on your cauliflower. So let's go ahead and get started on the sauce. The first thing I'm going to do is add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to this small bowl. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of that delicious chili sauce that we made. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sriracha. And I'm using 4 cloves of chopped garlic. To this, I'm going to add some kosher salt and black pepper. All right, let's whisk that together. Oops, guys, I almost forgot my lime juice. We want the juice of 1 lime in this. All right, and let's whisk that up. All right, now guys, I'm going to get my cauliflower. I'm gonna pour this delicious sauce all over my cauliflower. This smells so good. It smells so fabulous. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply toss it. We're going to toss this until everything is nicely coated. All right, guys, I've got my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to simply put my delicious, flavorful cauliflower on the baking sheet and spread it out. All right, guys, so here I have it. What I am going to do is I'm going to season this with a little bit more salt here on the top. Just a little bit more. You want to make sure it is seasoned generously, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more pepper on there. I did get a little bit of sauce, taste a little bit of that sauce on my spoon, and so that's my main reason for doing this. So if you want to go ahead and taste your sauce before you put it in the oven, I would recommend you do. I just tasted some of the sauce that was on my spoon here and realized that I did need a little bit more salt, so I just went ahead and put some on top of your cauliflower. So I'm gonna put this in a 425-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes until our cauliflower is nice and golden and roasted. You'll see in just a minute. So guys, for the garnish, I'm going to add some fresh chopped cilantro. So I'm going to go ahead and chop it up so it'll be ready to go once my cauliflower comes out of the oven. Once the chili sauce is cooled, go ahead and store it in an airtight container. I got this container at Dollar Tree. It's perfect for this. I like it because it has a little spout right here for me to just simply pour my chili sauce on whatever I need. And of course, it was only $1. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Awesome, and this keeps really well in your refrigerator up to a month. All right, guys, it looks like our Bang Bang cauliflower is ready. Let's get it out and give it a taste. All right, here's the Bang Bang cauliflower. I'm now just going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh cilantro, and then we are going to give this a taste, guys. It smells so good. I can't wait. Here we have it, our Bang Bang cauliflower. Let's give it a taste. I'm so excited. As always, smells divine, and it is very hot. Delicious, guys. Just the right amount of spice with our spicy chili oil, which is wonderful because it is keto approved. Then you can taste a little bit of tang in it from the lime. You guys, this is amazingly delicious. Just another fabulous way to serve up some cauliflower, and you're definitely going to love it. This recipe is going to be on my website at sincerelylagenia.com. Head on over there, print this out. This is so delicious, and it's gonna go well with just about any type of meat that you pair it with, or you can simply just eat it by itself. It is fabulous. All right, everybody, there you have it. Bang Bang cauliflower. It is so good, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about it. Again, if you want this recipe, go to sincerelylagenia.com. It is there for you guys, along with all the nutritional information. You will be very pleased once you see the carb count in this one. It is definitely a fabulous recipe and goes quite well within your keto and low carb lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another episode right here on Sincerely Lagenia. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous week, and I'm going to talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Lagenia. Bye for now.